Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Gupta and I am a final year engineering student of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Delhi Technological University. I am placed at Barclays Shared Services. First of all, I would like to thank Placement Board for giving me an opportunity to share my interview experience with you guys. I really thank them. I got hired by Barclays Shared Services when it visited our campus in October. The profile for which I am hired is Business Analyst profile. Basically, Barclays Shared Services was established to provide back-end services to the main Barclays Bank located in London. Barclays Shared Services started its operation in India in 2007. The placement process of Barclays consisted of 4 processes. The round 1 was a written test, second round was GD, third round was a technical interview, fourth round was HR. The cutoff for Barclays Shared Services was 60% and it was open for all the branches. As far as I remember, around 200 people sat for the written test, and after written test, 45 around were shortlisted for the GD. Round 1 was written test. The level of the test was medium. It has topics ranging from permutation combinations, profit loss, percentage, etc. You guys may prefer Arun Sharma for its practice. The level of the test was not that tough. With practice, you can easily ace the test. The next round was GD round, and for the GD round we were divided into 5 groups with 9 people in each group. The topic for my GD group was Mission on Mars, a boon or bane. The moderator was from BSS only, and he was looking about how you present your topic. Like what were the points you included in your topic, how are you presenting it, are you participating in the GD, how is your confidence, etc, etc. So GD went well and I got shortlisted for the next round. In round 1 of personal interview, I was asked puzzles, guess estimate, questions were based from my CV and why I want to join Barclays. Then they also asked about my maths marks in board exams. Then they asked what motivated me to appear for Barclays Shared Services. The puzzles they asked, as far as I remember, were the first question was using 3 ones, 3 twos, up to 3 nines, make a sum of 9. The PI round 1. In PI round 1, they first of all they tried to make me comfortable to the environment. Then they asked about myself. They asked me to introduce yourself, etc., etc. Then they looked at my CV and asked me CV based question, the projects I have done till now. Then they asked why are you interested in joining us, being from an engineering background. After that, they asked some puzzles and questions from guess estimate. For example, as far as I recall, they asked me using 3 ones, 3 twos, up to 3 nines, make a sum of 9. And then the question of guess estimate was, they asked me how many cars are present in Delhi. They provided me with the basic data like the population of Delhi, the number of households in Delhi, and then they asked the question. And after that, they also asked about my maths scores in boards exam, and the interview went well and I was shortlisted for the next HR round. The final round was HR round. They welcomed me very well. They asked about myself. Again, they asked me to introduce yourself. Then they asked why you want to join Barclays. HR round was basically CV based. They asked about my projects, internships, and asked me to explain it very briefly, very briefly. Actually, my HR round went for around 45 minutes. Then they asked me I guess this was the turning point in my HR interview. They asked me, what have you done in college apart from academics? And then from my mouth, it just slipped that I have done a course of art and living called Yes Plus. They were very surprised and shocked at the same time, and they just asked me a question that take it as a business opportunity, because in banking areas we have to convince other people to come and join us. So just convince us that we should also do this course Yes Plus of art living. So for around 20 minutes, I just sat there convincing them that they should do Yes Plus. And at the end of the interview, they asked me, "Do you have any questions?" Then I just asked them, "Are you people going to do the course?" They said, "We don't know about that, but we will definitely remember this conversation forever." So that's how my interview went, and I got selected for Barclays Trade Services. So for getting placed into BSS, I would suggest that try to practice as many aptitude questions, questions from guess estimates, case studies, etc. Then try to give as many mock GDs as possible, because they will enhance your confidence and will help you very well to perform in an actual GD. Then keep yourself up to date about the general banking scenarios, because they also asked me about the rate of interest a general bank offers for loan, on FDs, on savings account, etc. And most importantly, enjoy your this phase of life, the college life, to the fullest, because it's not going to come back. For any queries, comment below, and please subscribe Placement Board. These guys are doing a great job.